Why does your scanner show the P2095 engine code? What does it mean? P2095 is a diagnostic trouble code for B, camshaft position actuator control circuit, high bank 2. The P2095 engine code indicates that your vehicle's PCM has detected a higher than expected voltage signal in the electrical circuit that controls the VVT for the B camshaft on the second engine bank. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty VVT solenoid, wiring issues, corroded connectors, low engine oil, dirty engine oil. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel